Next topic, trigonometric identities. How to find out the identities? The basic identities are cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. In the place of theta, we can take A also. Or if A is the angle that lies between 0 degrees less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 90 degrees. In the first quadrant only we discussed. We can take as cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. These identities are also discussed in the right angle triangle only. Here A is the angle P, Q, R, or we can take ABC. No worries about that. ABC is the right angle triangle. It is the 90 degrees. How we are getting the identities? By the Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. That is, adjacent square is AB square, opposite square is BC square. If the whole equation is divided with AC square, then we are getting AC square by AC square, it will be equal to 1. 1 equal to AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. In this, we know that from the ratio of sine A equal to opposite by adjacent, cos A equal to adjacent opposite by hypotenuse, cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. We know that in the place of BC by AC, we can write as sine square A. In the place of AB by AC, we can take as cos square A equal to 1. By using of right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. From that relation, we are getting the identities. If this equation 1 is divides with cos square A, then we are getting cos square A by cos square A 1 plus sin square A by cos square A, that is tan square A equal to 1 by cos square A, that will be secant square A. Why? Because we know that the ratios tan A equal to sin A by cos A, secant A equal to 1 by cos A. If divides with means 1 by cos square A, that will be secant square A. Sin square A by cos square A is the tan square A. Cos square A by cos square A is 1. From this, we are getting the identity secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. This is the second identity. The relation of sin and cos is the first identity. It is the second identity. In the same way, the equation 1 is divides with sin square A. Cos square A by sin square A is cot square A plus sin square A by sin square A, it will be 1 is equal to 1 by sin square A is cosecant square A. We know that the ratios are cot A equal to cos A by sin A, cosecant A equal to 1 by sin A. From that, we are getting the one more identity, that is cot square A minus cosec square A equal to, wait, minus 1, or cosecant square A minus cot square A equal to 1. If we multiply with negative on both sides, we are getting minus cot square A plus cosec square A equal to 1. So we can write first positive term cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. These three are identities in the trigonometry chapter. These three can be taken in the first quadrant only, that is 0 degrees less than or equal to A is less than or equal to 90 degrees. The basic identities, the trigonometric identities are, you have to remember, for sine and cos only you are taking the positive, and secant cosec will start, then that is the minus. Secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1 is the one more identity. Cosec square a minus cos square a is equal to 1 is the third identity. You have to remember, you keep in your mind, identities means three are major identities. Three are the identities: cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1, secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1, cosec square a minus cos square equal to 1. Okay. Let us discuss problems on identities. The problem is, it is the example problem. Show that cot theta plus tan theta equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. Here the solution is, just we can take the LHS. LHS is equal to cot theta plus tan theta, and we can take the ratios of sine and cos expression. Cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. We should multiply this, or taking the LCM of these two terms. Sin theta, cos theta is the LCM. Here cos theta is absent. We should multiply the first term numerator with the cos theta, the second term numerator with the sin theta. Then cos theta into cos theta is, that is cos square theta, plus sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta. We know that the identity of the trigonometry ratios, using the identities, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. From this we can write LHS is equal to cot theta plus tan theta equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta. We should write separate terms, 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. We know that 1 by sin theta is the secant theta, 1 by cos theta is the cosec theta. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So we can write, in the place of 1 by cos theta is secant theta, 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. Okay. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. What is that? That is cot theta plus tan theta equal to secant theta into cosec theta. Second one, show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta might equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. In this also, just you can write tan, sec, cosec, or that just you can write in the sin and cos. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, and secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay. Before of that, first we can taking common, we can take the LHS is equal to tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. In these two terms, we can taking common tan square theta. Then we get the second factor is 1 plus tan square theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta from the identity. From the identity, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. From this, tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. In the place of 1 plus tan square theta, we can write secant square theta. In the place of tan square theta, we can write secant square theta minus 1. So LHS is equal to tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. It is equal to tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta minus 1. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. And then you should multiply secant square theta into secant square theta, secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. It is equal to RHS. Therefore, tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Okay. Next, third one. It is very, very important. All are important. The 11.4 exercise and examples, very, very important. Prove that square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 90 degrees. That condition for angle is nothing but we are taking the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, we use the identities. By using of identities, we can show that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this, first we can take the left hand side, that is LHS is equal to square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. And for this, we can rationalize. Rationalize means we can take the opposite of the denominator. That is 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. In the under root only we can rationalize. Then it is under root of a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square. That is 1 plus cos theta whole square. And here a square, a minus b into a plus b. Then we can write a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 minus cos square theta. And from the identity, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Then cos square theta is taking to right side. Then sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in the denominator, we should write in the place of 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Then it is equal to under root of 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, or 1 plus cos theta whole square. In the denominator, it is sin square theta. It is equal to, in the numerator, denominator, both terms having the square and square root get cancelled. Then that is 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. If you get confusion, whole square under root, square root to cancel. Then 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Denominator has only single term, so we can separate it. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. We know that 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta. Cosec theta plus cos theta by sin theta is, that is cot theta. Since we know that cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, cot theta equal to, from the ratio, cos theta by sin theta. So it is equal to RHS. Therefore, square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. These are the example problems. Next, we can discuss exercise 11.4. The first problem, evaluate the following. In that, first one is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Second one is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Third one is secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, these are the problems in the first question. We can solve the first one. Solution of the first, we can take 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, that is sec theta, into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Just we can take the ratios. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Just we can write in this 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. Taking LCM of separate factors in this, cos theta is the LCM. Then cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Why? Because here cos theta is absent in the denominator, then we should multiply numerator with cos theta. Here also same. Sin theta is the LCM. Here 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Next, in the denominators, cos theta into sin theta. The numerator, just you can take sin theta plus cos theta is one term, 1 is one term. Sin theta plus cos theta is one term, this is one term. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. So here we can take cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1. It is equal to a plus b whole square. A square, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Again expansion, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next, by using the identity. What is the identity? We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. In the place of cos square theta plus sin square theta, we can write 1. plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. It is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Cos theta, sin theta cancel. It is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta equal to 2. Is the 4 marks question. The question will come 11.4 for 4 marks. Second solution. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. It is equal to, just we can expand in the form of standard identities, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here we can expand, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus a minus b whole square sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Here minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta get cancelled. From the identity, what is the identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. By using this identity, we can write in this place 1, in this place 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is the solution. Third one, secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. We know that the identity is 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. From this, tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. The same way, 1 plus cosec square theta equal to cot square theta. Sorry.
అమ్మమ్మ కల్పిస్తావా నాకు
And here 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. From this, cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. These two we can apply in the above. In the place of secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta into, in the place of cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. We know that tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Why? Because tan square theta into 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta cancel. It is equal to 1. From the identities, we can calculate, we can apply the identities. We are getting the simplification of secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 1 only. Okay. Second one, in the exercise, second problem. Show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. You can take either LHS or RHS, that is your wish. But you can take the LHS, that is LHS is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. It is equal to, just we can write the right side terms are expressed in cos theta. So you can take the ratios cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, cot theta equal to 1 by cos theta by sin theta. Just you can take these ratios in the LHS in the place of cosec theta, cot theta. The ratios can be converted into the cos and sin. So it is 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Taking the LCM, sin theta is the LCM. 1 minus cos theta in the numerator. Why? Because in the denominators both are having the sin theta. So whole square. It is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square. Right, separate whole square for numerator and denominator. This is sin square theta. We know that the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Then sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. It is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. If we can take 1 is 1 square, then it is in the form of a square minus b square. We should split into factors. The numerator term is 1 minus cos theta whole square. The denominator can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta factor, 1 minus cos theta cancel. We are getting 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It is equal to RHS. Therefore, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is the solution. Third one, show that square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. It is same as example. Sec theta plus tan theta. Solution. It is same as example of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Take LHS. LHS equal to square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. In this, we can take the rationalize, that is 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Cancelling of these two, you are getting the same, what they are giving the LHS, that the same only. This is square root of a plus b into a plus b, 1 plus sin theta whole square by a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square theta. By using the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Here sin square theta is taken to right side, then cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So here we can write square root of 1 plus sin theta whole square, denominator cos square theta. It is equal to under root of 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta whole square. Square root cancel. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. We can write separate 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. We know that 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So we should apply. In the place of 1 by cos theta, we can write secant theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. This is equal to RHS. Therefore, square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta equal to secant theta plus tan theta. It is the solution. Fourth one, show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 equal to tan square A. Just you have an idea about the identities. What are the identities? 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. And 1 plus cot square A equal to cosec square A. Okay. Here 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 they have given. Just you can take as ratios tan A equal to sin A by cos A. From this 1 minus tan square A equal to 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. It is equal to, taking the LCM, cos square A minus sin square A. The same way we can take cot A equal to cos A by sin A. From this cot square A minus 1 equal to cos A by sin A, cos square A by sin square A minus 1. Taking the LCM, sin square A, then it is the cos square A minus sin square A. Just you can take the LHS equal to 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. It is equal to, in the place of 1 minus tan square A, we can write cos square A minus sin square A upon cos square A whole by cot square A minus 1 is cos square A minus sin square A upon sin square A. It is equal to cos square A minus sin square A by denominator is cos square A. Denominator will become numerator, that is sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. These two are get cancelled. One's up. 1 into sin square A is sin square A. Cos square A into 1 is cos square A. It is equal to tan square A. This is the RHS. Therefore, 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 equal to tan square A. Here, just we can observe, I have taken first identities, but it is not suitable. Why? Because here 1 minus tan square A is there, but the relation with 1 is 1 plus, but these two identities are not suitable. So again, I can think tan and cot both are expressed in sin and cos if any simplification is there or not. Okay, Just I can take the 1 minus tan square. It is in cos and sine, and this cot square a minus 1 is also cos and sine. By observing this, the numerator values are same. If one divides another, means in the numerator of numerator, in the denominator of numerator, both are same terms, means it will be get cancelled. So we get the tan square a. For that idea, I applied here. First, I can check identities are suitable or not. Which are not suitable, then go through the ratios. Okay.